You're welcome. So in this lesson, we're going to look at an introduction to Python programming. So if you're hearing about Python programming for the first time, and this is an introduction, so in this lesson, we're going to know the meaning of Python programming. Okay, so this is an introduction to Python programming, why you need to learn Python programming. So let's look at what we're going to learn. See the introduction to Python programming. What is Python programming? What is the brief history of Python programming? And then the key features of Python programming. Then why you need to learn Python programming. We'll look at the popularity and the demand. Look at the versatility and the application, and also look at the future prospects. Okay, so what is Python programming? Definition. Python is a modern, high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's a language that is versatile. You can use it for different purposes. That's why it's a great choice. And it was created by Gino van Rossum and first released in the year 1991. The main philosophy of Python programming is this readability and simplicity. Now, key features of Python. 1. It is easy to learn and use. Simple syntax and readability. Secondly, extensive libraries. It has extensive libraries, rich standard library, and numerous third-party packages. Cross-platform. It runs on any operating system of your choice. Then interpreted language. There's no need for any compilation. Allows for quick testing and debugging. Support for multiple paradigms like procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Now, why do you need to learn Python programming? First, popularity and demand. It is widely used in various industries: web development, data science, AI, automation, etc., including blockchain, etc. So, high demand for Python programmers. So, with the need for Python programming in all these emerging technologies, then there is demand for Python programmers. Then second reason why you need to learn Python programming is that it is versatile and has several applications. You can apply it in web development. We have frameworks like Django and Flask. Then we have, can be used in desktop application development. It can be used in data science and machine learning. Can be used to automate tasks. Can also be used in game development and Internet of Things. Now, future prospects. So, what is the prospect for Python programming in the future? Is it a good language to learn in the long run? Yes, if you learn Python programming today, it's going to help you in the long run. Let's look at the industry trends. Growing adoption in new domains like quantum computing and robotics, enhanced libraries and frameworks. The job market for Python programming is rising. Job opportunities for Python developers, both locally and internationally, competitive salaries and career growth. Then the community and the resources, expanding community support, abundant learning resources and opportunities for collaboration. Now, getting started with Python. So in our next lesson, we're going to look at how to install Python for your operating system, setting up a virtual environment. Then we'll look at the basic syntax of Python programming, variables, data types, and operators. Look at construction, control structures, if, for, and while, and also functions and model. So thank you very much. So in summary, recap for Python importance and versatility. It is very versatile. It is multi-purpose programming language, and it is widely used in modern technologies. Then encouragement to start learning and exploring. There's no better time to start learning Python programming than now. Thank you very much. If you have made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this and to help my channel grow. Thank you.